Always in action, mastering, always, with adjectives. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our new lesson. Today, we'll be focusing on using the adverb, always, with adjectives. This lesson falls under the umbrella of adverbs of frequency plus adjective collocations. Understanding how to use always with adjectives can greatly enhance your English speaking and writing skills. So, let's get started. First things first, let's understand always. Always is an adverb of frequency that means at all times or on every occasion. We often use it with verbs to express repeated or usual actions. But did you know that always can also collocate with adjectives to enrich your expressions? Let's dive deeper into this in the next section. Always, when paired with adjectives, often expresses a consistent characteristic or state. For example, in the sentence, "She is always happy," the speaker conveys that the person is generally and consistently in a happy state. It's a strong way to express a prevailing characteristic, emotion, or state of a person, thing, or situation. Here are some more examples. 1. He's always ready to help others. 2. The weather is always unpredictable in April. 3. The soup at this restaurant is always delicious. Remember, always goes before the adjective in the sentence. This is a common rule when pairing adverbs with adjectives. Now that we understand how always works with adjectives, let's practice with some sentences. I'll say a sentence with a blank, and you can fill in the blank with always and an appropriate adjective. 1. My sister is blank. Suggested, always cheerful. 2. The lessons in this course are blank. Suggested, always helpful. 3. My neighbor's dog is blank. Suggested, always friendly. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language skill. And there you have it. Today, we have learned about using always with adjectives and how it can make your English more expressive and precise. Keep practicing these collocations, and soon you will find yourself using them naturally in your conversations. Stay tuned for our next lesson, and until then, keep practicing and always stay curious about learning. Goodbye and happy learning.